what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel free to join our family down below on the subscribe button, and also you can join on all my social media if you feel like it. But yeah, let's get into today's video. So as you know, I have a degree on global design and now I'm taking my master's on design and advertisement. So one of the most asked questions as a creator and as a designer is, where do I get all my inspiration from? How do I get inspired and motivated to do all the things that I do? On this video, I'll give you 5 sources of inspiration that you can count on just for you to feel more creative and inspired to do your own creation. So the first source of inspiration is kind of the basic one, which is all of the social media platforms. So you have Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. I always seek first for one of these platforms for just instant inspiration if I need so, because I know that I can find a lot of things in those. And basically everyone has their own social media, so it's just a lot of content that is constantly being shared and therefore a lot of content for me to get inspired by. So for design related works, I really love to go on Pinterest and on Instagram because I like how the search engine works, and so I just find myself really having results for one type of search that I do. For example, if I'm talking about vintage graphic design, I know that instantly whenever I search there, I would have a lot of creations about it. And so I really like to just search. I just like to consume that type of content because I feel like it's not only an instant thing that I can have right there, but I can also share on my own platforms. I can give feedback right away if I like the work. And so, I don't know, I feel like those platforms are great if you just want to get inspired instantly. Then on Facebook, I don't use it as much just because it doesn't fit my personality, it doesn't fit my audience range, but I mainly just used for me to share my content there. It's not a search engine platform for me. LinkedIn, I use it not only for job appliances, because you know, that's that. But I also love to search there for new design things that are happening. Perhaps advertisement that is just so out of the box that you share on LinkedIn. So I really just like to go there and see more out of the box projects, basically. Just to see what is really being done out there in the market by companies. They have just a bunch of studies there you can share, you can like, comment, and also give your feedback, basically. So I really like to go there in terms of if I'm searching for a more professional kind of inspiration or innovative. I like to go on LinkedIn. YouTube, I feel like it's a constant inspiration platform for me because I really like to use it to search for new concepts, new things that I can do, or tutorials if I'm seeking for something that I don't know much about. So I really rely on YouTube just to give me that instant tutorials, that instant how to make something. And yeah, it really inspires me to just see other designers or other content creators sharing a little bit about their experience, about their day, and I really love it, and I feel like it's something that really inspires me as a YouTuber as well. So that's just my favorite platform. Then we have TikTok, the platform that everyone loves. Everyone loves this platform because it is oriented to that specific person. It is very personalized, and so you have content that you like automatically being like kind of shared with you on your For You page. I find that app really easy on giving me inspiration because not only it's video, so it's more interactive, it's more dynamic, and I really like it. As I said, on Instagram and Pinterest, you can just search for something and there's always a person that answers to your prayers there. So I really like it. I like how people can convert long videos into short ones, very dynamic, how the design people use it for promoting their works or to just show the process. I feel like that app is very inspiring in terms of what you can do now that you couldn't do earlier on the decade, perhaps. I don't know, I feel like it is giving a new innovative look to the video format and how you should edit and talk to a camera and being dynamic and so on and so forth. So with the social media platforms talked about, so there's still one app/website that I really love. It's kind of a social media, but it's more designed or professionally oriented, and so I didn't include on the same package, but it's basically the Behance. As a professional designer, you know what I'm talking about. Behance is just one of the biggest platforms platform where you can just share your work, your process, making very you, kind of a portfolio in a way, and you can find a bunch of inspiration there. Just type whatever you're looking for and bam, it's there. You can also connect with people and just kind of give your feedback as well. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a little bit more professional inspiration. That's where a lot of professionals share their work, and so you'd be good to go. So another source of inspiration that I have for you guys today is Design Inspiration. This is a website, a very professional website, where you can get inspiration for almost anything you want. You can search not only by project type, by whatever you want, but you can also search for colors, which is amazing. Whenever you want to have a specifically inspiration on this color that is being very hard to work with, perhaps you can find there some inspiration. It is perfect because, as I said, you can search by color, you can search by projects, and you just get these color palette on each project, which I think it's amazing, and you can use the color palette for your works. This is a new tool for me, this is a new website for me, but I already love it and I highly recommend. Another source of inspiration is, of course, books. Design books specifically are amazing. You have a lot of books that you can buy, you have a lot of books that you can read, or just to, you know, see the images or something like that. And recently I've been just buying a lot of design books because that's how I feel like I have more inspiration in a deeper level, because I really like to understand why people do certain things, and sometimes the books have the creation and then the explanation. I don't know, I feel like books are amazing tools for you to get inspired by, not only because it is a professional tool, but you can just have books about anything, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing to just buy a design book and to go through it. It's amazing. By the way, comment down below design books, because I just started to buying them and I feel like I cannot stop. So just leave me some suggestions down below. So the last thing that I have for you guys today as a source of inspiration is actually live an experience. There is no better way for you to get inspired than just go out there and really just observe the world around you, the society around you. And whenever you are designing or creating content, you need to have this certain context. And so it is important to just keep updated about news, about what's going on around the world, everything that surrounds you. And so I feel like going out, not like partying, but like going out of your house, exploring, just go out there, see the advertisements that are being put out in the streets, see the colors, the composition of things. I find that very inspiring. Whenever I get inspired, this is a tip for you. I just kind of snap a photo and keep it on my phone, or screenshot something, because I know I will need to get back there, if that makes any sense. But yeah, just experience, live it, because also your moods change and you get more inspired if you are experiencing something else, or going to a bar that is very vintage, or I don't know. You really feel inspired whenever you go out there and kind of absorb everything. So that's my tip for you guys. Of course, we are always learning, and so I will search for new sources of inspiration so I can give you more tips further on in the future. But I really hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you do have any doubts, please comment down below. Also, you can comment some video ideas. And yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be updated whenever a video comes out. That was the video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next week. Bye. Stay safe and stay happy.